But here is what I'm taking for. Couldn't close my life without close men. How is it try to live for them? My God! Well, I've been through hills and valleys. I survive out of the old gangster alley. Love gunshot where me skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the jungle in me rally, we want them and pop it off. Who goes by me? Greetings in the mighty name of the Most High. His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Jah Rastafari. Portland people, we love you know. I fool with something this. Large up all the winds of Forest Massive crew. Let it go. Make it run. Yeah. But see ya, is what I'm taking with for. Close my line without close men. Or is it dry leaf falling? Wake up. Well, I've been through hills and valley. I survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot when me skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the jungle in me rally, me hold them and pop it off. Who a go sponsor me rip off? Oh, you get your front stripe, take it off. Come on, get the front badge rip off. Youngster rip it off with me Bible and me prayers and me father with this one. With me blessings and me message some me step it out the road. Destination leads to Zion. We must follow the code. Don't no can't stop we now. Not even bad one. I'm selected, elected upon the hunting road. Pass back to the fish stop to know I see it and what. Lyrics full up in my head. I can't go hope alone ready to kill. The wolf them in the sheep clothes and the little brown goes mad me. And then now you get your front side. Mr. P come and get the front bed. Youngster, get this straight. Well, I know you see the night today. Me a wait, you know how long. No, Mr. Nobody gate. You know how much time. Them pass me with the plate. Now me grab on pan a slice. A headache, I go move mountain. No with my feet. I go show them Rastafari great. Two things can never be friend of and hate. So tell them forget this straight. Me with Bogus Benjamin. Oh, you get your front side. Little. Unworked Christian soldiers ready to go march and free Africa. Unworked Christian soldiers ready with the torch. Make we start the fire and sing Africa we are come. Mama Lord, put your done. Africa the time is here. And Mama Lord will always be there for me. Well, I remember in the days of old, when black men were bought and sold. But what we have, they try to kill us and take control. So them rob silver and gold. Blacks were issued all over the world. And some boys and beautiful girls. But them never know we would rise up in this world once more. Now to shine like diamond and pearl. So we sing Africa we are. Mama Lord, good job done. Africa, the time is here. Play low. If you take a sheep out of the sheep pasture and put the sheep in a hack pen for 2,000 years, that sheep is still a sheep. So when them take we from Africa and bring we all over the world, Caribbean and England and Europe, we want them to know so we are still Africans. So all who say Africa must be free under the year what me say. Alright, we are circle Africa. Look, Mr. BSC. Look. Listen to me. Come make we circle Africa. Come make we circle Africa. That is the land of my forefather. Circle Africa. Come make we circle Africa. That is the land of... Now me start up in the King City where them call it Ethiopia. The capital for that city, it name Addis Ababa. Me make another chat and then we reach over in Kenya. Me stop at Sudan to Saudi Arabia. Them have oil at that place more than all them have water. Me make another chat and then we reach a Uganda. The capital for that country, them call it Kampala. Me make another move and then me reach a Tanzania. Me make a big glide, me reach a Botswana. Me to a Wally country. Some of them need to remember Algeria, Nigeria, Egypt and even Libya, Angola, Zambia and even Tanzania. Mr. Pat Zimbabwe, it name Rhodesia. Then make a track to Johannesburg down in South Africa. And later have a message to Nelson Mandela. Tell him come from under the white man cellar. To shelter white rain you need a black umbrella. Africa we are come, Mama Lord. Good can done. Africa, the time is here. Mama Land will always be there for me. Set them free. Marcia, but a grassroots from the early days. When I come yourself to blame, bless it. Well then, never support where they boy them a promote. Yeah. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Man a root, a man a branch, a man a leaf, a man a stem. No problem. Yeah. Well then, never support where they boy them a promote. So them said, well if a butcher now fi try cut me throat. Politics a me no vote, so them said me no fi float. Send some marine fi come sing call me. Them like me woman all and what, so them a go hang me like a goat. Me tell them take that to bank, take that to court. We taking over import, export and deport. No mention the wharf, much less the airport. Now the whole of them big show me answer. Tell them man a no dog neither drunk. Tell them man a go we not go. Go tell them say I know I won the Bronco, but still I not go we not go. We tell them go ask Castro and Panko. If I know basic, the boy them search up me one room board house well and dash. Them gone with me chalice and me two calabash. Me little herbs mash and me monetary stash. Me brand new Portland splash. Is hold on there. Come here, Mr. Wang. You see this little short man named Mr. Wang? Me and him born and grew in the same district. We used to DJ together in a combination. Circle Africa. You hear me say? Mr. Wang a big selector, big producer right now, so we have to large him, a Portland band. Large myself, Mr. Wang. Put your hand in the ear, make the people them see you. Alright. Yeah, man, Mr. Wang. We're going to keep it rolling. Yeah, man. Same. Yeah. All foundation. Why, raga. Switch. It's like a puzzle every figure and a hard nut with crap. A real nerve digger straight from Jamra. Some call me dirty nigga, true me can't be dreadlock. And smiling on me face, I want me stopping at the back. But we not bow down low, you must see my corner. Selassie, let it go. Hey, raga. Sister, it's like a puzzle every figure and a hard nut big rock. A real nerve digger straight from Jamrock. Some call me dirty nigga, true me can't me dreadlocks. A smiling on me face, I want me stopping at the back. But we not bow down low, you must see man, we couldn't do that. Foundation from birth. Although the running slow, get to you to beat up, but we know where life hurt. When them say bow down low, you must see man, we couldn't do that. Foundation from birth. Although the running slow, get to you to beat up, we know where life hurt. Well, I say yellow Rastafari in my flex. Yes! And then me big up all my true friends next. Heal up all the female sex. Yes, we big them up all heap of funny wife express. As a man we wear pants and shirt, the duty is to make love to the blouse and skirt. Yes, me we heal now birth. No respect to me brethren will birth. But from the woman them we not divert. It no bird for us to this woman hurt. So then we not go bow down low. You must see man we gonna do that. Foundation from birth. Although the running slow, get to youth of it. Play low. Play low. Alright, we're going to keep it. Hold on. Half the chance if we check him over yonder, but I don't trust the flex. To how things are go. Cease. Cease. Yes, my people. A Portland with them. Are we going to keep it right and natural just like our Portland is? Well, listen to this tune. This tune is a brand new tune. It's the title track of my album, my latest album. It's called The Uprising. So we're tuning and listen keenly to it. Let's go, Mr. Bandsman. Tell the youth them. United we stand tall. Divided we are going to fall. All Gangali tell one and all. Hot go. Them can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. Yes, them. Celestia. Rastafari. Let's go. Large up Cocotina the place. Richie Stevens, big up. Beanie Man just rolling, large up yourself. All artists backstage. Hot up. Can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, I bring you good tidings. Because them can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And we riding for the uprising. Rastafari, I give me. So press up to creation, the black queen, the black king. A black man liberation, everything in everything. The real situation now is that we living. From mystery Babylon, them too deceiving. We take we ancient, ways we ain't teaching. So tell the black youth, them stop bleach, them skin. As Marcus Garvey say, look deep within. One God, one aim, one destiny, and that's how we are going. Can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, basic. Nobody tell me about your salt. When you know want to dash on the dirty fault. After Rasta tell you pull up and you don't want to halt. Still down in a Babylon and drink them malt. Seems like you want to spend your life in a default. The youths them a grow, so the youths them know. That's the wrong way to go, so them a catch the right flow. Them ya little youth now go bow down low. Them a rebel and tell Babylon no, them. Stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, I bring you good tidings. We tell you them can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, give it. So me go bless up to creation, the black queen, the black king. Black man liberation, everything is everything. Real situation now is that we live. Mystery Babylon, them too deceive. We take we ancient ways, we ancient teaching. So tell the black youth, them stop bleach them skin. As Marcus Garvey say, look deep within. One God, one aim, one destiny, and that's how we are going. Can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, I bring you good tidings. We tell you them can't stop the uprising. The uprising is so surprising. And them can't stop the uprising. Rastafari, I bring you good tidings. Celestia. Yeah. We're going to keep it rolling. Cause Portland splash. And enough artists there. So you wanna know? I wanna be free from all chains and all bangles and rope. Free from all bars and all borders. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright. Shh. Shh. I wanna be free from all chains and all bangles and rope. Free from all bars and all borders and dope. Free to praise the last year, I mean now praise the Pope. Some I know you are wash your face in Babylon soap. Me have a leap of faith, that mean me have a leap of hope. Life rough and hard, but with it me have to cope. Some take it from the level, some slide down the slope. Silent people run deep and ganga me have to put. I was born to be free. How we all ganga? Yes, how we all? Yes, I'm all ganga, and whoever. Say, me no come as a joke and me no come as a filler. They up on a mission and be complete. That is my run, of course he is my star. If you love the cow, you have to accept the car. Could have been the little one, me get tired instead of star. Big pretty work on them, I work witchcraft. Reject me body, me cool, but me no come. She was like all 50 judge and all. I was born to be free. How we are? Yes, how we are? Yes, how we all gangali, gangali. Lulu. She got the eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose. Splendid, she look from head down to toes. Girl, just say yes, I make me fling on the ring. Every time I pass the bass, I leave me one song to sing. Nobody can. Nobody. No, come where you have been a life, young girl. Come again, nobody can make you worry. Nobody can make you ball. No, come when me start from the top to the bottom of the list. Girl, I your name. I just excellent and quality a pass. Must get the body then. Excellent. Hello. Me did not want them body late night bleaching. Me did not tell them body enough man taping. No flare their face for me teaching. Now look how far it reaching. Some get all before them. Too easy to be done. Oh Lord, too much you. From she reached 10, she said for your name I call. Sweet 16 and she no want nothing small. So she run repeat that so she welcome Paul. 17 years and she a boom like a ball. Oh she looks so old almost the Spanish town wall. Last night me see her and her granny them a call. It's written on her body welcome one and all. She old before she young so when you see her you feel bad. Too easy be done. You know. Woman, you got your education, inspiration. And you know, say you not depend on man. Shout it big and bold, independent today. Louis say, hey, them don't like you, and them a fight you. But that can't stop you in a life. I'm not you. No, Pamela lose her man. Me can't thank you very much. Play low. Well, Babylon find me herb. I say it are the best. Wouldn't come back up because they burn out the system. Play low. Yes. Hold it. Shh. I never want to touch this tune tonight. You see this tune? We have to touch this tune. You know why? You have some man I walk all about. I run up them mouth. And I say them a girlies. And them have 20 women. And I'll know they no breed one. See? So hold it. The new name for the man that wanna get no picnic yet is Man Guinea. Anyway, I see them you shout Man Guinea. Let's go. Play low. Alright. Who ready? Play low. Alright. Them say them a girl is a no get pick me yet. Anyway you see them you be short man give them. Have a million woman and no breed one yet. Anyway you see them you be short man. Pull up. Hear me? Enough artists there for work. I don't know say. I feel we think Portland thing and you don't know every artist love Portland and them coming in. We now go straight from Wagwan because now feature some tune from the album. Yeah. Hey, this one of you all the suffering people, you know. Only Jah can help us in this time, you know. Oh, yeah. I go. Well, mama worked so hard to find the school fee. Papa gonna prison fee, a pound of sensi. Pick me the yard with them belly hungry. Oh, only help is His Majesty. Me say, are you alone can solve them your problems? Yeah. No other, it no make sense. Which are you alone can solve them your problems? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, are you alone can solve them your problems? No other hit no make sense with life. You alone can solve them your problems. You know. All the man a walk a bus, me shot fi $1. The tax man a plan fi the man in a me collar. The bigger head said that the procedures are fi follow. And all who feel it cry, oh what a lala. The leaders them a bite more than when them can swallow. Them girt we so tight and up the people them a holla. Now the poor man blood, sweat and tears them a walla. And all who feel it cry, you could hear them cry. Are you alone can solve them your problems? No other hit no make sense with you alone can solve them your problems. Whoa, ho, ho. Hey, and you alone can solve them your problems. No other hit no make sense with life. You alone can them your problems. Easy, easy. Yeah. Thank you very much. What you say? I see them pressuring the people, but me say good over evil. I see them pressure poor people, but me say good over evil. When me say too much pressure on the donkey back, oh the donkey am full of. Let it go, Mr. Barnes, man. Let it go. Hey, I see them pressuring the people, but me say good over evil. I see them pressure poor people. When me say too much pressure for the donkey back, whoa, the donkey am full of coconut. You got too much pressure for the donkey back. Whoa, you block the whipper, you dey beat him hard. What? Too much pressure for the donkey back. Oh, the donkey am full of coconut. Too much pressure for the donkey back. Oh, you block the, give me up. So now you pad him up, you wad him up, you girt him tight. And you no feed him, you a beat him, you no treat him right. Yes, you a ride him, gallop all late at night. One of them day I'm a go get fix and kick and bite. Because you circle him with blinkers and a black inside. Tap around bar and drink while him no taste nor bite. You a say you got the lick but you no got the mic. One of them day I'm a go explode like a dynamite. And me say too much pressure on the donkey back. The donkey am full of coconut. You got too much pressure on the donkey back. You block the whipper, you dey beat him hard. Too much pressure for the donkey back. The donkey am full of coconut. You got too much pressure for the donkey back. You block the, you know. The donkey sapping at the pass and a heat little grass. You a whip him and a lash him and a tape your cloth. In a the pass, I eat little grass. You whip him and a lash him and a tape your cloth. From morning him no drink no water. You ride the donkey, you are your big daughter. The four thing for them and the big heavy matter. Why come from school and no ride him and no treat him as water? Me say too much pressure for the donkey back. The donkey am full of coconut. Too much pressure for the donkey back. You block the whipper, you dey beat him hard. Too much pressure for the donkey. Oh, the donkey am full of. And me say too much pressure for the. Whoa. I see them pressuring the people. Me say good over evil. I see them pressure poor people. But me say good over evil. Yeah. We'll keep it short and spicy and nice. Come, Mr. Bandsman, don't delay. Yeah. Hey, lazy man and lazy man can't work. So let me look at the wrong concert. You will call yourself a go on till the day. Don't you ever feel the street? That's where we hit. Pull up. Pull up. Yeah, when I am off all of the food, you have a singer to sing it off. Come in, J.G., come sing it off. Every time. Whoa, hey, yeah. Lazy man, yeah, lazy man can't run.
Babylon come.
Lazy man can't run.
Now, grab a funk and come.
What you must do, you must do.
Ready, pick up your work down. Grab a funk and come. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. the world.
Well, that's some key, I have wild shoe, I don't want them spoil. You see the butter bubble up, me watch it pick me, them a smile. Me have some good old Jamaican coconut time. It remind me of the days on the bank of Ribana. Ragamuffin, I go do it on no fashion and style. Till man, I till of Jamaican style. Wow, Ragamuffin all 1,000 miles. We have it, for we don't need no lazy body. In a Zion, love it, jungle, lock, lion, love it, iron, Louis, Ultra, Bunny, version, Mike, Tyson, come and shut up,
Whoa, yeah. Check it out. But once you sow, you're bound to reap.
Once you sow, you're bound to reap.
Once you sweat, you're gonna
yes, you're gonna hit, you're gonna hit.
Don't you put up that pride and go rob another guy. Put your shoulders to the wheel.
What you must do?
You and I must eat, brother man. Give an helping hand. Let us blow up this land. So grab a last and come.
What you fi do? What you fi do?
Go leap and push it at the yard one shot.
What you must do?
Grab a last and come.
Clear up the place. Play.
Oh yeah.
Again, girl, you. This is on my album too. It's a new Farmer Man and Farmer Woman show. The one on the herbs and spice and roots. Yeah. Herbs and spice and roots that the Rasta man up in the hills and I produce. Herbs and spice and roots done with Babylon, cause Babylon I no use. We got herbs and spice and roots that the Bingy man up in the hills and I produce. Herbs and spice and roots. Listen me kill. Yes it. Me raise guinea chick fi get rid of the mangoes. Plant so what's up because he got the nerve juice. Enough strong but because me don't want no boast. I only the truth me come fi tell. Look. Well up in the hills a King Selassie me salute. Me see the plant and the banana them shoot. Jackfruit, breadfruit, grapefruit and all fruits. Picnic them a band so me put in a root. We got herbs and spice and root. That the big game. Hey me, fabulous and come.
Let me now show you. For the ladies. Oh,
Talking
yes,
to the ladies.
Like I really, really like it.
Lovely,
like
lovely,
that.
baby. Where for now?
Meet me at the corner.
Link with link up.
Oh,
Chuck.
yes.
Chuck.
Here we go.
Yeah. We keep it live.
Oh, yes, I like it like
Talking
that.
to the ladies.
I really, really like it
Lovely,
like that.
lovely, baby. Tell it.
For the ladies, yeah.
Straight up.
Meet me at the corner.
Link with link up.
Down your avenue.
Rasta no cater, we no cater where them think up.
See, I'll be patiently, yeah.
Well, we have a natural roots where
Yes,
we
I
drink
will.
up. Chuck.
Waiting there for you.
All the day I'm alive, girl. Where for do?
I said to tune in till the morning.
Tune in till the morning.
Hey.
Chuck.
Tune in your message.
I tell ya.
Cause I like it like that.
Well, me love it like that.
Yes, I like it
Yes,
like
me
that.
say me love it like that.
I like it like that.
The rest I love it like that, yeah.
Yes, I like it like
Biggie
that.
man, you love
Thank
it
you.
like that. Me say, woman, you shine your light and make the whole place brighter. Me really have to love you tonight. Up to the flex, alright, you got the real uptight. Really have to love you tonight. Not even breeze stand a chance. The way we lock tight. Tonight in the dance, what a beautiful sight. We have to advance over fuss and over fight. Woman feels alright, me have to hug her up and tell her say,
Meet me at the corner.
link with the link up.
Down your avenue.
For we no cater when them think of.
And I'll be patiently, yeah.
Yes, we have a natural roots where
Yes,
we
I
drink
will.
of.
Waiting there for you.
All the day I'm alive, girl.
Come on.
Well, I feel like we bubble and I feel like we.
Wine.
I feel like we have a very good
Time.
I feel like we dance cause it ain't no crime. I feel like we rumba then I want fi China. Me go call Emilina, me go call Emiline. Call Caroline, me could find Caroline. We dance close again and burn out borderline. The people that need it for a very long time. Again.
Meet me at the corner.
Link with it. What love you love, you know?
Down your avenue.
Rastafari, one love from the heart.
Thank you.
Give thanks.